We are going to practice blending some of our sounds today, so reading some words. So before we practice the ones that we are doing for this week, we're just going to do some words with sounds that we have already done, so ones that we know. So I'm going to press this red button and see what word comes up. Okay, can you sound out that word? And then we will do it together. So our first sound is P, A, T, Pat, Pat. Let's try another one. Okay, so you try it first again. Two of these sounds or letters are the same as what we had in the last word. Can you see which ones are the same? And then which sound is different? Okay, now let's sound it out together. P, A, N, pan. So is the sound that is different to pat at the start or the end of the word? It's at the end, isn't it? N. Okay, now we have one more to go. So will you try and sound this one out all by yourself first, and then we will try it together. P, I, N, pin. Well done. Now we are going to try and read some words with the sounds that we are doing this week. So have a look at this word. How many letters are in the word? Can you count them? 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many sounds are in the word? There's 3, isn't there? Because we know that the two letters in the middle come together to make the sound A. So have a look at the word and see if you can sound it out on your own first, and then we'll try it together. P, A, N. P, A, N. Pain. Well done. Now, how many letters are in this word? Let's count them. 1, 2, 3, 4. And how many sounds are in this word? There are 3, because we know that the two letters in the middle come together to make the sound E. So now let's try and sound it out. You try first. F, E, T, feet. Okay, I think we're getting the hang of this. So, how many letters are in this word? You count on your own. There are 4 letters in this word. And how many sounds are in this word? There are 3, aren't there? Because we know that the two letters in the middle come together to make what sound? That's right, A. So let's sound out this word. A, N, rain. Okay, let's look at another sound that we are practicing this week. So let's look at this word. How many letters are in the word? 4 letters, that's right. And how many sounds are in the word? There are 3, because the 2 letters in the middle of the word come together to make the sound or. So you try and sound it out on your own. And now let's do it together. B or n, born. Okay, so how many letters are in this word? And how many sounds? So there are 4 letters and 3 sounds. And this is the same sound in the middle that we had in the last word. So can you try and sound this one out on your own? K or k, k or k. Cork. So like County Cork, or a cork that you put on top of a bottle. So this is the last sound we are going to look at. So let's read this word. How many letters are in this word? 1, 2, 3. And how many sounds are in this word? 1, 2. Because the last 2 letters come together to make the sound I. So now you try and read this word. I. Pie. Like maybe an apple pie. Now for our last word, I picked a tricky word. This is a hard one, okay? So we're going to try our best to read it together. So let's count first how many letters are in this word. It's a little bit longer than the other words we've had. Let's count together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. There are 5 letters. Now, I wonder, will anybody be able to count how many sounds are in this word? 1, 2, 3, 4. Because we know that 2 of the letters, the I and the E, come together to make what sound? I. Yeah, like we had in the word pie. Can you see those 2 letters? Okay, now you are going to sound out this word on your own and then we will try it together. K, I, d. Cried. 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 I fell over and then I cried. Well done. That was a very hard one.